Madden. Get that hand out of your mouth. Abby, make him laugh. Pull that hand out. Hey, watch him. Kick those legs. Kick, 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 kick. Alright, stop bouncing and tell him to kick. Kick, 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 kick.
Kick, buddy, kick.
Are you going to kick those legs for us? Kick them. Make him smile, Abby. There he goes. Kick, kick, kick. Okay, that's enough bouncing. You're making him dizzy. It's too hard. Stop. Get down there and make him smile. Say, hey, buddy. Don't bounce. That's good. Get down there and make him say, hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Keep those hands.
Do I need to make him kick?
Make him smile.
When I rock him?
Just make, no, don't rock him. Just make him smile. Pull his hands out of his mouth and start talking to him. Make him laugh.